today we're gonna make a homemade Coke float. If you don't have budget, you can use this one. All you need is Milo sachet. It's really low budget. Milo sachet, Coke, and ice. First, you have to put the Coke on a glass or cups. After you put the Coke, then next is the Milo. When you put the Milo, cut it, then pour it on the Coke, even small bottle of Coke. At least your thirst for Coke float is you can satisfy your cravings. And next is the ice. When you put the ice and then voila, it's Coke float. You can try it.